Hello everyone. Now continuity with the same trigonometrical ratio. As I explained you, there are the six ratios. Now these six ratios can be abbreviated in short as sine A, cos A, tan A. As and the cosec A, sec A and cot A respectively will be the reciprocal of the ratios of sine A, cos A and tan A. As I have told you that this ratio, six ratios, you have to find only the three and then easily you can reciprocal it to get the other three ratios. But this will be in a sequence like sine A reciprocal will be cosec A, cos A reciprocal will be sec A and tan A reciprocal will be cot A or vice versa. And from this above ratios, it is also been observed that tan A is equals to sine A by cos A and cot A is equals to cos A by sine A. This is as an identities which will be used further on. Now you have seen this all six ratios of an acute angle in a right angle triangle. It's express the relationship between the angles and the length of its sides. Now here I will take one example and explain you how the problems in a problems you have to find all the ratios. Here a very simple question is given, tan A is equals to 4 by 3 and you have to find other six ratios. To find other six ratios, you should always know all the measurement of the three sides. Now here the condition is given that the B is a right angle triangle. Now as we know, tan A is opposite side upon adjacent. We will apply the formula and we will see that this tan will be 4 and this will be 3. Since it is in a ratio, we can take 4k and 3k where kk will be cancelled because it is in the ratios. We can't say A equal to 4 or AB equal to 3. If it is given in centimeter units, then we can take directly. And so now we will find it very easily with the Pythagoras. We will find the hypotenuse which will be equals to 5 centimeter. Then we can apply the formula sine A that is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, and here the perpendicular is 4 and the hypotenuse is 5. Same way we can find cos. Then reciprocal it, you will get other three ratios. So totals you can see six ratios are easily being found. Now how to remember this all formulas? That is, this is given in a short. Now I will tell you whatever I have explained you. This is the summary of this. This that is sine. Sine we pronounce sin. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. These are the formulas which you can note it down. And this now how to remember this formula of sine, cos and tan? You have to go in this way only. There is a slogan or here you can say a phrase given, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole, the first letter of every word. Now here can usually say that sine theta is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos is base by hypotenuse and tan is perpendicular by base. And reciprocal it, you will get cosec, sec and cot. This is pretty very easy to remember the formula. That is Pandit cosec will be what? Hypotenuse by perpendicular and sec will be hypotenuse by base and cot will be base by perpendicular. Now as I have explained you all these six ratios, this is the gist of the all the contents which you have studied today about the ratios. Now here I want to clear one thing, that when we abbreviate sine A, cos A, any ratio, remember that these ratios are the reciprocals of these three which formulas I have written. This you can note it down in your notebook for your remembrance. And the remark is that two remarks I will like to explain you in short. That is, this sine A is not the product of sine and A. It is one term. It has a different, it has no meaning that is sine into angle. It is a one word sine A. We cannot separate it or we cannot put a product. And if suppose we want to write sine A whole square, we can write in this way also, or sine square A. And when we like cosec A is inverse of sine A inverse, which is not equal to sine A. So it is the inverse. It is called inverse of sine A, which is have a different meaning. So with this, I conclude my topic, go through the topic. Thank you. And I hope you have understood this. All things have been written in slide. Any doubts, you can clear it with me. Thank you.